Hello, Volvo Mack Trucks at Waco here, showing you our new 2025 Volvo VNR64T300 day cab. This truck does have a 13-liter 455 horse 1850 torque. It has the LED headlights. We've got tall rubber 11R24.5s all the way around. We've got aluminum front, steel rear wheels. Our fuel tank's got 117 gallon capacity. We also have the tilt, no tilt fifth wheel. You can actually move these tabs down here to make it a regular fifth wheel. To show you the inside real quick of the truck. Volvo has awesome visibility. PTO switch is actually right here. Volvo I-Shift with overdrive. Got a Meritor rear axle. It's air ride with a 325 rear ratio. Here's your lock-in differential button. Have pretty nice seats in here with all your adjustments. Bluetooth. Truck's got a great stereo in it. Let's take just a quick walk around just to show you a couple other things on it. So it does have the undermount exhaust here. And as you can see, I just want to show you, it is factory PTO and pump. It's a Parker F181 and it does follow the I-Shift transmission warranty. So a huge plus there. Awesome truck. Give us a call or email us if you'd like for us to send you a quote on this truck. We can rig it up for you however you want. We put a wet kit, whatever you guys want.